झोंका सा क्यों गुजरा ये लम्हा
Come here. Pass on some compliments.
No, these people really want those shots.
No, I've taken that.
आगे भी
ये बस मैं नहीं नजर ढूंढे तेरा निशान
हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं।
बना दीजिए वीडियो बना।
कैसा लग रहा है अभी आपको?
बहुत अच्छा।
बेटी की शादी है।
बेटी के साथ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
वो बेसिकली सनडाउनर चाहिए।
हाँ, timing is very important.
Timing is very important in that.
हाँ.
4 पे yesterday when we arrived here, it was still the sun was bright.
Yeah.
तो उसमें
4 to
उतना
5 is
अच्छा-
perfect.
4 to 5 is like the
Perfect.
perfect frame we have kept. But उसके बाद what Kamakshi was suggesting us कि right after the Varmala we
Go
can
for
have
portraits.
go for portraits,
Yeah.
which we wanted here.
Very
Have you
good.
seen that place?
I know.
The one covering where they wanted my shots right now, somewhere there. So do you think that time frame would be good?
Yeah,
After 5 and then the fairas, then the ceremony.
Yes,
Okay.
very good.
So that is what we have kept for now.
Very good.
So I just wanted to go through it once.
I
with
love
you.
the plan.
Okay. And
Let's make it happen because it's getting recorded also now.
अच्छा.
I hope it gets done now.
तो प्रकृति के नियम हो, कुदरत के नियम हो। करे धोती वाला और खाए टोपी वाला। संसार में तो लोग वैसे ही भाव।
see? Tell me, Julie.
My life.
My life.
Yeah, this is how it is going to be for the entire life. 5 hours.
Welcome to the club.
Not expected out of you intellectuals, man. Yeah.
मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं यार ये.
What's in front of you?
The most amazing lady in my life
And?
and the most amazing lady in my life.
जो भी हो तू मेरी रहना.
Intellectual. Good at laughing.
घूम फिर के एक ही तो है.
मैटर करती है.
Look at him. Tell me, what do you see?
The eyes.
I thought you'll say the voice.
The eyes
I thought you'll say the
which
kitchen.
mean the world to me. And the voice which still makes me weak in my knees. And the
That's
smile.
interesting. That's
And the
interesting.
smile. Which really complements my smile, but it's not that good. But yeah, those eyes.
For the voice.
That was the first thing.
And the voice was the first thing.
The voice was the,
The
first,
voice was the
thing.
first thing.
Yeah. But after seeing the eyes were the first thing.
And
So
then
yeah,
it was always kitchen.
The kitchen story, oh, he's an amazing cook. So since the time we have met, I literally have abandoned the kitchen. I was not that great also. So it's him who is been feeding me every time. The first time it was chili toast?
Cheese toast.
Cheese toast. See, I don't
Breakfast.
even know. The breakfast was cheese toast.
Yeah.
And after that it has been numerous things. But yeah, he's been feeding me a lot. So yeah, in fact, when I should look at you, I should remember the kitchen and the mess you leave behind after that.
That comes with the package.
Yeah, so the kitchen story is really interesting. That's how we connected.
थोड़े भीगे भीगे से थोड़े नम हैं हम. कल से सोए वोए भी तो कम हैं हम. दिल ने कैसी हरकत की है पहली बार मोहब्बत की.
A lot about her. Me.
Actually, congratulations. So happy for you.
And that's Vikram.
Congratulations.
There's Shiva.
Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much. How do we look? Thank you. Thank you so much. That really means a lot. You didn't dance at all. You know I'm upset at that.
You dance like this?
I
In
danced
this,
a lot.
mashallah, in this outfit?
I was like this.
Wow. I was like this.
I'm sorry, but
That's a weird, awkward uncle dances.
Laughter, laughter.
Just look at them. Look at both of them. Same.
That would have been a nice one. That would have been a nice one.
मेरा भी हो गया है. Mehdi was totally successful. I don't know about your Janev Puja.
Drawing class गई थी कभी?
No roasting. Abhinay?
नहीं, this is very amazing यार. अब मम्मा हमें बैठी बैठी देख रही हैं.
छोटू.
Naman padaro.
Yes.
Bye.
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 मेरी जो हुई शुरू तो बात बन गई, ख्वाबों से भरी फिर है हमारी रात बन गई। आ चले कहीं वादियों में हम, तारों को सुनाए दास्तां। जब से हम मिले एक दूजे से, ना रहा जहां से वास्ता। तू इश्क है, तू सुकून है मेरा, मैं चांद तू आसमां। तू ही सफर हम सफर तू मेरा, तू जश्न दिल का हुआ। जाने जा हो गई मैं तेरी, तेरी मैं तू मेरा हुआ। जाने जा हो गई मैं तेरी, बारी दिल की डोरी। जाने जा हो गई मैं तेरी, तेरी मैं तू मेरा हुआ। जाने जा हो गई मैं तेरी, बारी दिल की डोरी।
See this? Yeah.
Do that, do that, do that, do
It's like
that.
the most expensive ring of my life. ठीक है? हमारा फोन है। No, she looks like an elder sister, right? दूल्हे की बड़ी बहन नहीं लग रही है? हाँ हाँ एकदम।
आई एग्री, वी एग्री, कहीं से नहीं,
सबसे खूबसूरत कोई लगता है तो बस
आई एग्री।
अब जूही की तरफ देखिए। और ये वाह, शर्माने दी जूही, बोले शर्माओ, बहू वाला शर्माओ।
ना नीचे जिला टाप लागे, जिला टाप लागे लो
मरिया मरिया
कमरिया करेला पालाप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू। कमरिया करेला पालाप लॉलीपॉप लागेलू।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत सुंदर।
तालियां अनीता के
कोई रे बाबा की जाना मैं, की जाना मैं, की जाना मैं, कोई रे बाबा की जाना मैं, की जाना मैं, की जाना मैं, कोई रे बाबा।
ऐसा गाना नहीं होना चाहिए।
हमारे साथ श्री रघुनाथ। अब ये वाला भी बढ़िया नहीं भाई साहब, भजन नहीं करोगे? भजन भजन गवा लो इनसे।
फिर गाना
कोई मतलब नहीं है, कोई मतलब नहीं है। फिर
डायरेक्टर ठीक नहीं।
मैंने बोला तो माइक पे बोला, अभी मैंने पहली बार जिंदगी में नाचा और हमेशा नाचेगा आज के बाद।
और हमारी जूही बाबा में से नचाएंगे उसको। We wish that.
You know about the story? How did Abhinay Juhi meet? Is there a story there?
ये यही तो जानने के लिए आए थे शादी में वाइफ तो है
बस नफीस ने कर दिया
ये दिन आ गए
लाइफ सॉर्टेड
तो आप बताइए कि मुझे क्या करना होगा, कैसे करना, आप एक डायरेक्शन दीजिए। ये गाना
एक तो आप नाच नहीं रहे हो इस शादी में।
नहीं, नाच भी लेंगे ना, ऐसे ज़्यादा नाचने नहीं आता, बट थोड़ा सा। अब वो प्रोफेशनल डांसर नहीं है, उसके लिए तो सिखाओगे फिर ऐसे करके ना, ऐसे करके तो थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे कर देंगे हम, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाएंगे। मैंने अनुभव किया एज ए पेरेंट्स कि वो एक तो बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है, एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड वर्किंग। आप उससे जो है मतलब एक काम ठान लेता है ना, वो करीब उसके कुछ नेचर मेरे हैं, कुछ नेचर हो सकते हैं मम्मी के गए हैं, पर मेरे नेचर है कि हार्ड वर्किंग। मैंने मतलब अगर मैंने कुछ चीज़ ठान ली तो मैंने वो करके दिखाया, और आज वहाँ से ज़िंदगी स्टार्ट करके मैंने IIT से मैंने PhD की है, IIT खड़गपुर का पढ़ा हूँ मैं ये सिर्फ बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि मैंने जीवन में सीखा कि मेहनत, अगर आगे बढ़ना तो मेहनत करना। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभिनय के अंदर ये जो है गुण, वो मेहनती बहुत। प्यार मोहब्बत के बारे में, प्यार मोहब्बत के बारे में यार, वो तो देखो डांस डूंस तो करता नहीं है,
आपके जैसा
बिल्कुल डांस नहीं करता। वो तो कल स्टेज पर चला गया तो मैं तो ताजुब कर रहा था कि स्टेज पे कैसे चला गया। बहुत साई नेचर का है ये मैं मानता हूँ, इज़ वेरी साई, बोलता कम है। देखो बेटा, शादी का एक्चुअल मतलब होता है कि कुदरत ने, प्रकृति ने पति और पत्नी, मेल और फीमेल बना करके ये सृष्टि की रचना की है। ये पर्पस होता है। चाहे जीव जंतु हो, चाहे जानवर हो, चाहे इंसान हो, सब ने मेल और फीमेल मिल करके उन्होंने ये प्रोसेस किया है, और जिसमें ये आगे की जनरेशन जो है ना चलती रहे। शादी का मतलब ये था कि हमें एक मेल के लिए एक फीमेल चाहिए, लेकिन सिर्फ बच्चे और जनरेशन के लिए नहीं, हमारे कल्चर में उसको निभाने के लिए होता है। इसीलिए हम जन्म जन्मांतर का रिश्ता, 7 जन्म का रिश्ता करते हैं।
बेकायदा ये समझो नहीं तो नहीं फायदा, कभी अब्र सा बेसब्र सा, कभी बारिशों सा शरारत भरा, कब ये लगे ना किसी को पता, न जाने है कोई कैसी बला, कभी बेअदब कभी बेसबब, कभी जश्न है और कभी है सजा, है बेअक्ल बेशक्ल बेफिक्र ये गहरा है जैसे समंदर, दिखता नहीं है ये महसूस होता है इश्क ऐसा एक मंजर कैसी अलग सी है ये पहेली कैसी गजब सी जादूगरी कैसी अजब सी है ये पहेली जैसे उफक पे उड़न तश्तरी के रंग इश्क है सुर्ख सा कम वक्त सा ये मदमस्त सा ये इश्क है शरीर है बड़ा है मर्ज ये लाइलाज है ये मोहब्बत मेरे यार सुनता किसी की न करता ये खुद की है इश्क ऐसा बवंडर दिखता नहीं है ये महसूस होता है इश्क ऐसा एक मंजर कैसी अलग सी है ये पहेली कैसी अजब सी जादूगरी कैसी अजब सी है ये पहेली जैसे उफक पे उड़न तश्तरी कैसी अलग सी है ये पहेली कैसी गजब सी जादूगरी कैसी अजब सी है ये पहेली जैसे उफक पे उड़न तश्तरी
अरे साफ कर दिया दोबारा पे Sir, if you allow me.
लकी हो गाल में डिंपल आ रहा है
डिंपल डिंपल
बहुत लकी हो
तभी तो मैं मिला हूँ
अच्छा मैं खुद के हाथ में हमेशा मेरे हाथ में 10 चक्कर हैं 10 चक्कर हैं
5 तेरे
यू
कैमरे पे देखो सही हो
I know, we tried, but then we got pushed out. But we tried. Yeah, I'll take some of yours.
How did you like the decor? I'm asking you a question so that you can answer and it can be a candid.
Very nice.
Oh, do you like it?
It's really beautiful.
Very green and yellow.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's such a beautiful way.
Alicia, stop looking at the camera.
You only have to look at the right.
Yeah.
Oh, I can do that. I can do that.
Isn't it candid? No, this was not fake.
Who would like to start first?
Sure, I'm happy to start.
Yeah.
Tell us anything about Julie.
In Mexico City, I'd say Juhi was the nicest person I ever met. Honestly, from all of our dozens and dozens of friends, all of whom we all know, she was the sweetest one, always the warmest heart, a fun spirit, but hardworking as well. And she's actually the main reason that all of us are friends. She brought us together. So we love Juhi for that.
So,
Juhi, we love you.
Okay, so I met Jui because we were going to the same house party. She went ahead of me, so she put her name down, Jui, and then I was going behind her. I didn't know her at that point of time, and then I went next to her in the lift. I was like, "Hey, Jui, how are you doing? How have you been doing the last few days?" And she was like, "Fuck, do I know this guy?" And then after that, I'm just trolling you. But after that, we became good friends.
I met Juhi actually. I was invited as a random +1 to India House. She was at a gathering she was hosting. And yeah, she was just, I agree, she was just so generous. She really welcomed me. Yeah, she was always really charismatic, really mischievous as well, I think, along with all of her kind and positive qualities that others have mentioned. And we became really good friends, and after the people we knew in common left, we sort of kept having our little girl brunch dates, and yeah. Congratulations, Juhi.
Juhi and Abhinay, we wish you many babies!
Woo!
Yeah!
Well, Juhi was my very, very junior fresh officer in Mexico. She had come there to learn Spanish, so her first posting. And I happened to be the ambassador there. And so obviously I've known Juhi since my first day in Mexico. And she was a wonderful officer always, showed great potential, a lot of promise. She had great personal and professional qualities. And I can see in the last few years how she has matured into this fine young officer today, who I am certain will go very far in her career. I've been very fond of her always, and she has been in touch with us. She invited us, and here we are. And it's really, really nice to be able to celebrate this special day occasion with Juhi, and wish her all the very, very best.
बोलिए कुछ कैसी नई जोड़ी कैसी है दोनों की जोड़ी
जोड़ी तो बहुत अच्छी है
शादी के बारे में
कैसा नहीं बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम है बहुत अच्छा है तो बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है लड़की बहुत अच्छा मतलब एकदम लड़की का नेचर बहुत अच्छा है चुलबुली सी एकदम इतनी अच्छी लग रही थी कि मतलब लड़का भी अच्छा है सब चर का
God bless you.
My brother did everything for me. Whatever I am today, it's because of my brother. He made me work hard actually.
God bless you.
He's
I'm
the
proud of her.
best
Okay,
sibling
fine.
anyone can ask for actually.
Don't be sad. It's a big day. Be happy. Nice.
When I was giving my exams, he was more invested in the process than I was. Every single day he would check my test results, keep me on my toes. And he was the one who checked my result actually.
And I informed you
And he
also.
informed me.
So that was one of the good
It's
days, and
actually-
today is the other day. We are happy.
It's actually very emotional for me to be with him because it seems like it has been long. We have really talked to each other because we have been busy in our lives, but my brother really means everything to me. It's him
Thank you
for
so much.
everything.
Thank you so much.
If it was not for him, we would have been in serious trouble actually. Thank you, Bhaiya. And today also, whatever I'm doing, I told him I want to marry Abhinay and he stood by me like a rock. He never questioned anything, not the venue, not the arrangements, nothing. He made me feel like, yeah, he is there for me, whatever I do.
I'm proud
I
of you.
love you, Bhaiya.
Be happy in life. Okay? What's your best memory together?
But yeah,
Actually,
if I
we've
can,
cried a lot together. Yeah.
but I can tell some good memories. So like
Kaun sa?
when
Batao.
maybe when she got her UPSC results, that was one of the good memories. So like I just informed her on the phone, and she told like,
What the hell? This is really
it's
happening.
155 All India rank, and she was as surprised as anybody else can be. She was not expecting a very good rank, but yeah, she deserved to get a much better rank. This is what I believe. I always thought maybe she couldn't get a All India rank 1, but yeah, it's fine. So
Yeah, that is one of the best memories actually, because before that life was different, and
Yeah.
that thing actually changed our lives.
And here comes my wife, my lovely wife. It's getting recorded. It's a long video.
मैम आपको कैसे लगा था जब अभिनय से पहले मिले थे?
Super cute, sweet, innocent.
I'm feeling jealous.
I'm big fan of him. Seriously.
Thank you. In fact, she was the one lucky for us, because they got married in May, 11th May 2017, and I got my results on 31st May 2017.
So it's the same month.
So sweet of you.
we actually treat her as very lucky for the family.
I'm feeling emotional.
मैं तो रो मिली, मैं तो पूरा हो गया, पता नहीं कहाँ से आंसू भर भर के आ रहे।
सही में आंसू आ रहे हैं।
सही में क्या मतलब?
शादी के बारे में बताइए, कुछ डिफरेंट क्या देखते
Different.
हैं?
अरे हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हमने तो पहली बार देखा है ऐसे जंगल में आके। नहीं तो हम तो जंगल में ऐसे जंगल में आए पहली बार।
ज्यादा खुश रखने का यही है कि सारी बात आप मानते रहो, हाँ हाँ करते रहो, करना या न करना। मम्मी की भी मानो और मम्मी की भी मानो, बहू की भी मानो। मम्मी को भी हाँ हाँ करो, खुश रखो, और बहू को भी तो एकदम से खुश रखो कि भाई नहीं, कुछ ना करना ही नहीं है उसको।
चाय अच्छी लगती हो बीवी को तो चाय पिला दो,
चाय बना दो,
बेड से उठते ही
बिस्तर से ही कर दो।
मैडम, हाँ मैडम लो चाय लो, मैं देखो सुंदर सुंदर चाय बना के लाया हूँ आपके लिए। देखो बीवी खुश, सबको खुश रखेगी।
अरे हल्दी लगा दी ठीक रहता है।
मामा हाली हाली पानी पिया, मामा मामा हाली हाली। तो जूता का बाल जैसे कुकुर। हल्दी लगा दीजिए, हल्दी। प्यार से सुखा।
You know, I didn't make a mood board for this.
Okay.
Got ya.
No, but how? But I'm telling you honestly, I genuinely didn't make a mood board for this. I just told her I'll do something foresty and nice. That's it. That is it. And this is what we did.
Wow, nice. I love these little touches.
I know, fun, no? एक का बड़ा वाला बास्केट, दो बड़ा वाला बास्केट में ये डाल के दो बस। सुदान से लेके आओ, दो बड़ा बोल या ट्रे या बास्केट कुछ लेके आ जाओ।
How does all of this come together? What goes on in your head?
This is, you know, I dream my designs.
How? Like I want to know. Talk to
this is just Kamakshi. All of this is absolutely just Kamakshi, nothing else.
I saw this and I was, this is so you.
Yeah.
Just very. There's some brand language that maybe some.
Yeah.
This is like.
This is absolute Kamakshi.
No, but generally, like, how did you think that okay, let's do it in green?
So it's funny, but every season I get this vibe that this season this is my vibe, this season this is my vibe, and for some reason this season that green's my vibe. So I've been using a lot of that green in different, for different functions, and Juhi left it to me. She just said, Kamakshi, I know you'll do something nice, just do whatever you want to do.
She didn't even approve the color palette?
No, nothing. She doesn't know that this is happening. She just left it to me and she said, just do whatever you think is nice. So I said, okay, I think I'm going to do this lovely green that I've been dreaming about. So it'll be this nice green and ivory. And I've worked at the property before, so I knew this will work. Yeah.
Blending in so nicely, yet having its own presence. That was the idea.
जूही मेरी सबसे छोटी बेटी है। मेरी 2 बेटी और 1 बेटा है। जूही सबसे छोटी बेटी है और वो शुरू से ही बहुत मेहनती, बहुत वो अच्छी है।
Director Sahiba, what do you want from me? Tell me. Tell me.
Hey, you तो have been a delight, Juhi.
Really?
Yeah.
I know, थोड़ा सा ढीला है। ठीक है ना, लंबा पहनना है। It's easy to walk. See, so easy. Take this.
बरसे बादरिया सावन की, बरसे बादरिया सावन की, सावन की मन बावन की, सावन की मन बावन।
Juhi, what comes to your mind like right now, next 3 seconds?
Oh my God, it's happening.
Is this what you had dreamt of?
Yeah. Actually, yeah.
One word for this day.
Overwhelming.
One word for Abhinay.
He's a sweetheart. He's a real sweetheart, actually. I couldn't have asked for more. पूरा मेकअप खराब हो जाएगा मेरा. Don't make me do this, guys.
What's the story?
There's not an awesome story here. We met through a matrimonial website, actually.
Seriously?
हाँ.
And this was how long back?
This has been more than a year.
That's it?
हाँ, मतलब 1.5 साल.
I thought पता नहीं बचपन का प्यार होगा या कॉलेज का प्यार होगा.
सबको लगता है, पता नहीं. But that is how it is.
It was a conversation, I think, phone पे बात करते approximately 42 minutes के आसपास. That's for the first conversation what we had.
तभी सोचा था अपने कुछ हो पाएगा आपके बीच में.
हनुमान जी से प्रेयर किया था, बाकी पता नहीं.
We clicked on the first phone call. Then we had a couple of phone calls. Then he was in Mumbai at that time. He's still in Mumbai and he came to meet me. Then just 2-3 months into the conversation, we were like, ye chahiye. He says first call itself, he was quite sure. That is what he tells me. But yeah, was like, ye chahiye. मुझे ये चाहिए वाला.
अब
सब एक दूसरे के पास देख के हंसिए जोर से।
अरे खूब ही स्मार्ट।
जेठिया बोले सिर्फ हाँ बोलेगी वो। देखा जेठिया हाँ बोली, जेठिया आधार कार्ड।
आज कैसा फील हो रहा है?
अच्छा फील हो रहा है। It's a start of a new journey for me as well as for her.
नहीं बट ओवरऑल आपकी अभी तक की जर्नी को याद करते हो आज का दिन कुछ तो इमोशंस होंगे आपके और
नहीं बहुत सारे हैं बट आई थिंक चैनलाइज होते होते it will take some time.
Abhinay will make the world go round for people he loves. He can do anything. I mean, during this wedding preparations also, there were many things for which his family was not agreeing to, and his family is quite traditional. But he took that and he spoke to his father, he spoke to his mother. He said कि ये करना है, ऐसा हो रहा है. Even this wedding, they wanted a traditional Delhi kind, and we said we want something intimate, छोटा सा, where we can be ourselves.
She means the world to me. I think सारी दुनिया एक तरफ वो एक तरफ. She's been really patient with me all the time. So I think that's something which I really appreciate about her. And the way she cares about me and the family is like to the next level.
मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले ओ हो मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले आए हाय ओ मेरे यार नू बंदा ना बोली मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले ओ हो मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले आए हाय ओ मेरे यार नू बंदा ना बोली मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले
sensitive man, and I personally feel it's very rare to find a man that sensitive as Abhinay is. Abhinay can't see anyone in pain. He cannot. He loves dogs like they are his babies. He loves animals like they are his babies. You know, if he sees anyone around him, he will be like, what can he do for that person? And that is what he's been doing since the first phone call or the first time we have interacted. For my family also, we had just met, but when he met them, they were quite overwhelmed by his character, and they were like, he's a very gentle person. He's quite a gentle person.
I think it's the emotion what me and you Juhi has. I think that's love. Pyar Juhi, Juhi pyar. A is equal to B, B is equal to C.
and your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give you all of me. I give my all to you. Rock beginnings, even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Same.
I have not seen a man other than my brother like that. So I always used to tell this, that I want someone like my brother. I used to tell this to my sister-in-law also, that I want someone like Bhaiya. And when I met Abhinay, there were so many similarities that I was like, ye hai, ye kar lega. And I grew up without a father. So I wanted someone jo kar le. Matlab, it's not like I would be dependent on him. It was just that someone who would stand by me.
सालियों पिंक ग्रीन गोल्डन रेड सालियों मैंने गा दिया। चलो ये डील था। दिल से बहुत ज्यादा आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं, मतलब इतना ज्यादा कि मतलब पूछो ही मत, ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा। पैसा हम अपने हिसाब से दे रहे हैं।
इन्होंने 90% इमोशन डाल दिया, 10% पैसा, ये तो गलत हो गया। जाना तो कोई बात नहीं, 50-50
माँ बेटी का रिश्ते का क्या कहना। माँ बेटी का रिश्ता तो बहुत ममता से भरा होता है। दामाद भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, हमको बहुत मानते हैं, बहुत।
Bird sings his song and I hum along, and I think, what a beautiful day. I see children play, a bright future heading their way, and I think, what a beautiful day. Feel
शादी करती रहती थी, कर लिए, अब बताओ। अभी तो बहुत चीजें बाकी है। हो गई शादी, निपट गई तुम, अब बताओ क्या करना है।
वेलकम फूफा जी।
प्रांशी किसी को यहाँ पे यहाँ पे दोजी पे हाँ हाँ हाँ
I'll see you tomorrow. First day, new start, and I'm excited.
Abhinay, no matter what happens in life, we will always figure out stuff like we have been doing, and we will be able to sail through. And I've seen your hunger for aspirations. I know that you have it in you, and I know that together we will only grow and grow. I just need you by my side, and I promise you that I will never leave your side. We will stick together, we will grow together, and we will make something beautiful here onwards.